Hey guys, let's check out Avnish Ranjan Mishra, also known with the pen name Sagar. He is an adorable and passionate writer, poet, and shire. Here is a unique presentation of this amazing author, which we have taken for our magazine, The Big Market Journal. This wonderful presentation covers varied subjects of high importance, such as the author's literature works, views on COVID 19 and its impact on the world at large, and his overall views on his ways of living and his likings and principles in life. Let's have a look at it.
मोहब्बत के शहर का आबोदाना छोड़ देंगे क्या? मोहब्बत के शहर का आबोदाना छोड़ देंगे क्या? जुदा होने के डर से दिल का लगाना छोड़ देंगे क्या? जरा सा वक्त क्या बदला कि चेहरों पे उदासी है, गमों से खौफ खाकर मुस्कुराना छोड़ देंगे क्या? हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब अर्ज है. I myself Avnish Ranjan Mishra. By profession I am an advocate of Jharkhand High Court Ranchi. A poet, a shire survives within me, because of which I used to write since my studenthood. During the course I have written one book, namely Alfaj in the year 2006 itself, and subsequent to that I have got an opportunity from my busy schedule in the year 2020 when corona pandemic was at his peak. During the course I have written my second book, Ehsaas. It is available on Amazon, Flipkart, Shopcluse. It was published from a renowned publisher of Delhi, namely Blue Rose Publisher. My third creation is still under progress. Because of busy and hectic schedule of advocacy, sometimes we the advocate came in acute mental trauma and stress. In order to release that stress, we used to write. Creatures, my books are basically on Hindi Kavita, Urdu Sher, Ghazal, Nazm, etc. Because of which a person having interest on poem, rhythm, lyric, Ghazal, Nazm, Sher, they are my followers on social sites, even in my personal life, in addition to virtual world. So far as matter of COVID-19 pandemic is concerned, I would like to say it was an historical experience for all of us. We all were in acute mental trauma during the course, writing these things, creating, publishing book. We are at a worst phase of its entire history. But in addition to that, because of lockdown, it gave us an opportunity to create something with positive thoughts. We were struggling with a deadly disease. Simultaneously, we had a lot of time. We had a lot of time to create something, because of which I created my second creation, namely Ehsaas. It is collection of 110 ghazals and some Hindi poems. My recent work is this one, Ehsaas. It has been published in the year 2020 itself. It is available on Amazon, Flipkart, Shopcluse and other marketing sites, and also at the website of my publisher, Blue Rose Publisher, New Delhi. My third book, namely Jazbaat, is at the final stage of publication. I think that it would be in market by the last of this year. So far as matter of future plan is concerned, I would like to share that always survive a student within you. If a student survives within you, you keep learning and you keep getting something from your surroundings. So I will try my level best to survive that student within me, so that I can gather a lot of things from my surrounding, and will keep trying such things for entertainment of my well-wishers and followers. And lastly, I would like to say with all of you that in this world, two things are parallelly runs with you. One having positive dimension, one having negative dimensions. There is always a day after night, and there is always a night after day. If we think that this day will end at night, it's pessimistic approach. And if we think there will be a day after this night, it is optimistic approach. So I used to keep my approach always optimistic, and I want that my followers, my friends, my fans always keep their thought optimistic. I would like to express these things by 4 lines. मोहब्बत के शहर का आबो दाना छोड़ देंगे क्या? मोहब्बत के शहर का आबो दाना छोड़ देंगे क्या? जुदा होने के डर से दिल का लगाना छोड़ देंगे क्या? जरा सा वक्त क्या बदला कि चेहरों पे उदासी है, गमों से खौफ खाकर मुस्कुराना छोड़ देंगे क्या? Thank you very much. So keep following me in social site on Facebook. My numbers are there. Social platforms of my books. Thank you very much. So nice of you.
So guys, we hope you have liked this awesome coverage, and in the end, we wish that you find all the contact links of this amazing personality in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe us and kindly press the bell icon. Stay tuned.